Need to fix the api32 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before we walk through the api32 library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the api32 library, frequently found in specialized automotive diagnostic tools like the BMW Standard Tools, Ediabas. It manages the low-level serial communication protocols. Because it shares a name with core system concepts, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. If missing, specialized diagnostic hardware will fail to detect the PC. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. A missing api32 library DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the localized application interface, shim integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the api32 library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading api32 library DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to api32 library. If api32 library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.